I'm here with Chris MacDonald, an analyst for 24/7 Wall Street. Chris, what we want to look at today with the markets running higher is you've got some small cap stocks that have been left for dead and are finally seeing their time in the sun. Give me one of your top under the radar stocks to buy right now.
I would say the metals company TMC is by far one of the stocks that has flown under the radar for quite a while. This stock IPO'd a few years ago at $10 a share, dropped down to below $1 a share, and has since, over the past year, really started to make its ascent higher. So it's trading above $5 a share right now at the time we're recording this video, and it's been pretty volatile of late. But one of the reasons why it's had this 500% return in the span of just a few months is news around deep sea mining exploration permits and the potential for the metals company to really take a dominant early mover advantage in a nascent market that could be massive. And so what the company does is they send deep sea exploration vehicles to the seafloor, and they pick up nodules that are just lying on the seafloor, which contain all sorts of battery minerals, from nickel, cobalt to other key battery minerals, and they just siphon them up, kind of like golf balls, right to the surface. And so there's been around over 20 exploration missions that have been done to assess the environmental impact of this mining practice. But the idea is that deep sea mining may be less environmentally negative than above ground mining over the long term. And given the electrification trends and sort of all of the battery and power storage needs that we're going to have tied to the AI revolution, this is kind of an interesting, sneaky way to play that. The recent news that really took the stock higher was that the Trump administration is looking to potentially provide them with a exploration permit, which would allow them to mine using the American flag in their markets where they've already received permits. So they're still pre-earnings. They're still a speculative pick, and it's a small cap stock, but it is traded on the Nasdaq, TMC. If the market is as big as a lot of analysts think it could be, and this is sort of a multi-trillion-dollar play over the long term, then their market cap at 4 billion right now seems pretty attractive.
Oh, there you have it. A very speculative stock, but many investors looking in the rare earth space. Some of these stocks absolutely exploding higher this year. TMC, another idea, instead of digging into the ground, going under the ocean. That's a very interesting idea, Chris. Thank you for that.
Thank you.